Hi, it's Mints from My Life Mints. Thank you so much for stopping by. I thought I would do another face-to-face video. I have to do a voiceover for the journal with me that I am sharing with you right now. So the video I'm going to do the voiceover for is just playing up here. So you might see me looking up there, and hopefully it's not too distracting. But yeah, I thought I would just do a face-to-face voiceover. This journal with me session is about just catching up with some pages. I filmed a video yesterday, but I will most likely post this before that video. I'm just not really feeling it recently. I'm just really low. I don't know. I think it's just stress. My son told me, I was talking to my son, and he's like, "Mommy, you need to sleep more, and that's why you're sad." And he's so right. I'm probably not sleeping enough, and that's why my mood is so down. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to show you, I guess, just me catching up in my Hobonichi Techo. At this current state, I believe I am just 1 or 2 days behind. There's some open spaces for writing, but I'm just not in the mood. And you'll see me in this video. I ended up, I filmed it and then I continued with it, even though I was not feeling it. You'll see me at the end. I just end up quitting. Not quitting, but I was so fed up. I don't know what was wrong with me or my mood, but I don't know if you can tell in the video. I was just so negative about everything. Like I was not, I mean, I was in the mood. I'm always in the mood for journaling, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. All I'm saying is I don't know, but do you have some of those days sometimes? I have some of those days where I don't feel like journaling, and I don't force it. I just leave it. I leave my journal aside and I come back to it when I feel like it. But these past couple of weeks have just been so low, and I don't know if it's because it's February and you know, the weather isn't that great. I haven't been able to really get out. I mean, I get out, but I don't have any friends here since moving, and I don't have anybody to really talk to other than my kids and my husband, and I spend all day at home with my kids, so maybe that's why. I'm not sure. Sorry, so I'm not even talking to you about my spreads, but so now I'm working on day number 15. I think this is February 15, and I'm just writing out a quote. I have the quote written down on a small piece of paper on the left-hand side there, and I'm trying to read it, and I couldn't really read my writing for some reason, and that's why I put the word "the" in brackets, but it's actually not in brackets. I'm not too sure what I was doing there. But you can see this page, I rarely wrote anything. The 15th, I spent, you can see like almost half of the page is just collage, and that's okay too. And I just felt like gluing things down, and that's totally fine. Don't force yourself to journal if you're not feeling up to journaling. I decided to cover that space with a quote from Socrates and collaged whatever I felt like collaging. That little lady on the left-hand side and this beautiful sunflower person is it's beautiful artwork from Courtney Diaz, Little Raven Ink. I will leave her Patreon information down below. I really, really am so grateful for her artwork because I put her art in my Hobonichi, like a lot of you'll see her artwork throughout my Hobonichi, and it's just perfect. It's always perfect for something. If I'm looking for something, because those two pieces are from her previous months, and it just fits perfectly for some reason. All of her things that she puts out, it just fits perfectly for the days that I need them to, and I'm really thankful that I'm signed up for her Patreon. So the 19th, I didn't know what to write. I was just so, not angry, but just so negative and fed up with something. I couldn't even put words to it. I couldn't pinpoint anything. I was just so agitated with everything. And my son is right. I think it's the lack of sleep, and the amount of workload. I just really need to take a step back. It's a bit hard to do when you run a business, but I wrote down PMSing maybe. It's just my hormones going crazy. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, the collage bits from Courtney are it's so fitting for these past couple of weeks, because I'm getting better actually. Today I feel a little bit better, even though today was rainy and I had to take the bicycle and take my kids to daycare. Maybe that's why I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm just getting myself some alone time. I got drenched in the rain, and when you don't have a car and you have to take your kids somewhere, you just have to tough it out. But I have my alone time, and I'm able to spend it with you, doing this voiceover, and I feel a little bit better. If you are a mother, you know that you need your own time, and you just kind of need to separate yourself sometimes. You need some quiet time, especially if you're spending it with your kids 24/7. So now I'm gluing that collage piece down on the page, because I added some, like a light green, lime green wash on the back, watercolor wash on the back, and it dried up, so I ended up gluing that piece down. And there is a picture of my kids on the left hand side. When I'm feeling low or stressed, I end up looking through some of my photos that I don't use, and I just stick them down to cover up any open space. If I don't feel like journaling, I'll just stick a photo down, I'll just collage, I'll add stickers, anything. The process of sticking down washi tape, or sticking down or writing down a heading of something, or adding a wash of watercolor, for me is really relaxing. Unfortunately, when I was doing the spreads, or when I was doing this journal with me, nothing was really helping at all. I told myself, oh, maybe I'll play a little bit in my Hobonichi, and that'll make me feel a little bit better. But these 2 days when I was journaling, it was not working. So you'll see at the end of the video, I just kind of not quit, but I said I had enough, and then I turned off the video. But yeah, if you have some of those days, what do you do? Like, do you have any coping mechanisms that you'd like to share? It's a bit hard here. It's not common to get a babysitter here where I am. It's not like I can just call a babysitter and have some time for myself. I know I talk to my friends back home, and they say, why don't you just call a babysitter just for an hour or two and go outside and go for a coffee? And it's not that simple, unfortunately, here in Japan. My family isn't close either, so it's not like I can ask them to. It's not like I could call my mother-in-law to come here and watch the kids. But yeah, if you have any coping strategies with that, I'd love to hear. I'd love to read your comments. Yeah, so now I'm just adding some stickers down. I really like these quirky characters. This little boy is dancing. Just trying to add some life to the page, because it was just so negative. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yes, on the left-hand side, I don't know if I ended up showing, but on the left-hand side, I ended up being able to draw some sakura petals, and just flipping through the pages. I know I still have to do a Hobonichi Techo flip through with you. It's been over a month now since my last flip through, so I would really like to film that with you one of these days. And yeah, this is just it. I didn't even finish the pages, and I just called it finished. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the Journal with Me session. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.